I'm wrapping up a Bing indexing service for a client. Here's a little quick behind the scenes into what I do. So to start, I'm always going to put the website into Sitebulb. It's a third-party tool that I pay for. I think it costs about $20 a month for the most basic version. And what I do is I change the crawler type to render JavaScript. So I both do just HTML and then JavaScript. Then I change it to the Bing bot smartphone and also desktop version of the bot. I wouldn't say there's any issues where Bing is crawling through, if there are any problems where they can't get to certain pages, orphan off pages, anything else like that. Because then ultimately what you want to have happen is when you do the before and after, it's going to say discovered but not crawled. URL cannot appear on Bing. But now during the live test that I just did at 9:19 this morning, URL can be indexed by Bing, assuming it passes the quality guideline issues, which I'm pretty sure they're going to. When I get to this stage, I'm going to now view the HTML content, make sure that Bing can properly index the material that's on the website. But essentially, you really want to try to mimic Bing bot, see where they're kind of getting into issues with crawling and rendering both the HTML and the JavaScript of the website, and then ultimately come up with a plan. So, the plan could be simple things like, reviewing your robots.txt file, removing dirt within the XML sitemap like 301s and 302s and 404s, 500 status code, or you have to get even more specific too into like maybe some code changes, maybe some accessibility changes, anything else like that. But anyway, that's just a quick behind the scenes look into the Bing indexing service that I provide and the tool that I use, which is called Sitebulb.